Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's going to be the very cool looking Dakoda. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the opening first, and then we'll draw in the rest of the helmet. Alright, so for this part, it's just going to be one circle. So a smaller circle, and then one more inside, just to give it a little bit of a border. Alright, so from here we're going to draw in the circle around it. So this is going to be the middle of the circle, but we're not going to draw in the full circle because the neck area is going to be flat right here. So we're just going to draw almost a full circle. We'll stop right around here, and then just come straight across. Now we're adding one section at the bottom right here, so just turn this into a big rectangle. Alright, so I know it's a little bit wobbly, but it's okay. And let's just go ahead and finish up the bottom right here. Just one big curve all the way around. Okay, so now let's add in some details to this. We'll come out here to the side. Just draw 2 lines right here. Close this off. And the same thing here. So just come across, just drawing 2 lines. I'm going to draw one more here. A small rectangle on the side. Alright, and then for the grid right here, I'm just going to add in 2 lines. And then 2 more going up and down. So it's almost like a little tic-tac-toe. And then up here is going to be the hose. Just drawing 2 lines going up, and then from this, just curve, and then just kind of go right over this line right here. Alright, and then on the neck area right here, I'm just going to add 2 little dots for some rivets. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to pinch it in. I'm going to close this off, and this is going to be the belt. So I'm just going to add in 1 section. And then in the middle of the body, I'm just going to add in 2 little straps. So I have one going this way, and then one more. This one's going to go behind. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish up the legs, and we'll add in the arms later. Alright, so I'm going to come out to the side right here. Just going to curve out, and then come back to the middle. Just one little curve. And then whatever space you have here, I'm just going to connect that. Come down here, just one little bracket. Close this off. Alright, and then now for the boot, I'm going to start right here, just come down. Now for the other side, come down slightly and then just add 1 big bump. Close this off. Same thing here, just come down and then 1 big bump. And then to make it a little bit more 3-dimensional, just continue with this curve, just gonna come in. Alright, so that's the boot, and then now let's add in the arms, and I'm going to start with this side first. So right in the middle of this is going to be the armpit. Start out here on the shoulder, come down, and then just close this off. He's got those big gloves, so I'm going to add in this 1 little hook here for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. And then just kind of come down. Just tuck it up right behind the thumb. And we can add in 1 little line here for the fingers. Okay, so for this side, it's going to be slightly different because he's going to be holding the anchor right here. But right here, the arm's going to be the same. So here's the armpit. Come out here to the side. The shoulder, come down. Close this off. Okay, and then now for the fist right here, it's going to be holding the anchor. So I'm just going to come down. Just 1 hook this way. Now I'm going to come down. Just draw like a little bracket like this and close it off. So that's going to be the other fingers, and we can add in 1 little curve here. Okay, and then now we're going to close this off. That's going to give us the hand. Okay, and then now for the anchor, I'm going to start right around here. Make 2 little points. Just going to flare this out. Now from this point here, just going to curve it down. And this part's a little bit tricky. Okay, so I'm going to take the middle of this, just come over here, make a little point. From this point here, I'm going to curve down here and just close this off first. Okay, and then on the tip right here, extend the line. Let's turn it into a triangle. Alright, and then 1 little more detail right here on the anchor. Just come right around here. Just draw 2 lines going out. And then just draw 1 circle at the end. Alright, so that is it for this Dakoda. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.